This is American Kelly. This is what to do on a rainy day. Step 1. Read a book. Look at this book. It's a book about mechanics. Step 2. You could watch a movie. Step 3. You could dance. Step 4. Listen to music if you want to. Or step 5. Make a stupid video and hopefully people will watch it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like these types of videos and other videos like traveling videos and walking videos and cooking videos and me reviewing stuff, it's on my YouTube at Mr. March Films 22 at youtube.com, or you can visit my TikTok, martinkelly 37 at TikTok. That's my TikTok name. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me today, and have a pleasant rainy day, and try to do something that you'll enjoy. Goodbye.